Good morning. My name is Jimon. I retired as a CFO for an healthcare group and presently engaged in promoting transaction analysis as a trainer. See, Burns says the destiny of every human being is decided by what goes on inside his skull when confronted by what goes on outside his skull. Man is called upon to face situations. On a daily life, he faces so many situations, and how he proceeds himself depends upon what goes on inside his skull when confronted by what he is seeing outside. See, that is the beauty of transaction analysis. See, in my career, I wondered that, see, it helped me a lot. See, the most interesting comment came from my son when he said that it is good that dad went for learning transaction analysis. And I wondered what made him say that. Maybe, see, people used to say that I am not at all approachable. Maybe my face was giving out that comment. That made me realize, see, when I went into transaction analysis, I could find that, see, face speaks a lot. Without speaking, you communicate a lot. So it may be people found it very difficult to approach me because of my facial expressions, body language, things like that. So after getting into TA, I became more aware about it, and life went on smoothly. So this comment made by my son opened my eyes, and I dwelled into transaction analysis. I did my BTA, passed BTA. Now I am promoting transaction analysis whenever I get a chance. Now what we have done is that we have taken up a school where we interact with the teachers and parents. We talk about the transaction analysis, the communication aspects, the relational aspects, the dynamics between the relationships, what is happening in the relationship. So it is a fantastic thing. The feeling is so good that all families has to be aware of this science, wherein it makes life so happy, so useful, so encouraging. The whole family builds, eats together, stays together, and what life becomes so enthralling and enjoyable. So all this happened because of ICTA. I came to know about this through my niece, Beena Dharman, who is also a psychologist. She compelled me to do the basic at ICTA, and I did my basic at ICTA. ICTA is supposed to be, I mean, I must say that it is one of the biggest training institute in the world, it is said so. And there every weekend we come together, the group come together, interact with each other, do the sessions, and the life has been so good at ICTA. So nice, the experience is so nice. That's all. Thank you.